Setting up the lift foot, we're going to lie down on our back, feet hip distance apart, arms right by our side with a neutral spine. Inhale, engage the T-zone. Then exhale, lift one leg up to tabletop position. Inhale, return the leg back. And then exhale, lift the other leg into tabletop position. Remember, we want to try and maintain a neutral spine, trying to keep our T-zone engaged, and trying to keep the ribs nice and tight. Now, if you'd like to double check if your T-zone is engaged, you can just place the index and middle finger just on the inside of the hip bones there, and their thumbs right by the side to feel engaged. And if you want to double check whether the ribs are staying tight, you can place your hands just on the base of the ribs as you move with the breath. So that's exhale, lift, inhale, return, exhale, lift, inhale, return.